What's he doing?
Y'all remember that movie?
She taking my car.
Y'all know what movie I'm talking about? Jeepers creepers, where'd you get those peepers? I saw this on the way back home yesterday, so on the way back today, we were just gonna make sure we stopped by. Look at that. Is that cool? Oh, there's a glass there. That's probably not a good idea to have a glass out there, but this is next to a bar. Here on the highway. Look at that, only in Texas, man. Look at this. Whoa. Got dead bodies in their blood. This is Brian from SpookYouLaterz. I'm having one hell of a Memorial Day weekend. We're finding all kinds of urban exploration, abandoned stuff. Yeah, I can't believe we actually snuck into that one place. We kind of just went for it. Man, this thing is totally jacked up. But I like it. Authenticity, man. This is as real as it gets, folks. So anybody, if y'all on Jeepers Creepers producers want to make a new movie, this is here off of Highway 16 North in San Antonio, Texas. Maybe honking right behind you, scaring you to death. Look at that, man. There is no technology in this thing. This is just straightforward old stuff. I don't even know what to say. Old technology. Just bump and go. Yeah, I guess maybe this is the landmark for their little truck road stop bar. It says trucks for you, happy hour. 5 to 6 weekdays. It's now open. Now here we go. This is a half a Jeepers Creepers car. Man, we're talking some old school. I can't even tell the years of these. 1950s, 60s, I don't even know. But they do have character, that's for sure. Look at that, man. Look like a guy shot. Those are guns. I bet you somebody drove by and just shot at it. Woo-wee. That's a time capsule in the making. That's just like going back in time. Look at that. Check this out. Bullet holes, everything. What you got? Try and look in the engine. Floorboards all rusted out. That's like the Flintstones, man. They'd be doing Barney Rubble or Fred Flintstone, pounding your feet. But yeah, just thought I'd make a video of this. Thought it was cool nonetheless. Alright, so this is Brian from SpookYouLaterz. You guys stay spooky, man. Hopefully you guys enjoying all this new footage I'm bringing you. Until next time, stay spooky, my friends.